Our first problem is find sine theta. So sine theta is equal to what? If cosine is negative 3/5 and theta is in third quadrant. So the theta is in third quadrant. So third quadrant. All right. So we know so much. We know that this is x and this is r. Okay. So then this must be 3 and this must be 5. And a square plus b square equal to c square. Pythagorean theorem will give us this one. Will give us the y. Okay. So then a square plus b square equal to c square. Okay. So then a square, which is negative 3 square plus b square is equal to c square is 5 square. So then 9 plus b square is equal to 25. So b square is equal to 25 minus 9. So b is equal to 4. So this is 4. Alright. So this is 4. Okay. Alright. Now the sine theta, if you remember correctly, sine theta is y over x. Y over x. So what is our y? Let's see what is our y. Y is 4. Y is 4. And let's see what is our x. What is our sine theta is y over r. Sine theta is y over r. So what is our r? R is 5. But we are not done yet. Remember, in the third quadrant, y is negative, x is negative, and y is negative. So then, since this 4 is y, this 4 is y, so then this should be negative. So our final answer is find sine theta. Sine theta in the third quadrant, when cosine theta is negative 3/5, then sine theta is negative 4/5. Negative 4/5. Cotangent theta is what? Cotangent theta is what? If tangent theta is 1/4. Remind you what is tangent theta. This is y and this is x. So tangent theta is y over x. And remind you what is cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is x over y. Okay. So then you're just gonna have to flip it. Alright. So what is our x? Our x is 4. So put 4 on the top. What is our y? Y is 1. So what is our answer? Our answer, we have our answer. Our answer is cotangent theta is just 4. That's our answer. Okay, now we are ready to do number C. So secant theta is what? When sine theta is negative 1/4. Alright, so let's remind ourselves what we have. So this is our y and this is, so y is negative 1 and r is 4. R is 4. Okay. So secant is the, so let's remind you what is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to y over r. Cosine theta is x over r, and tangent theta is y over x, and cosecant theta is r over y. Secant theta is r over x. So secant theta is r over x. Okay. So we have the r. We have the r. R is 4. R is 4. But we have to have x. We don't have x. But yeah, it's very easy. So let's see. We have some condition. cosine has to be a negative. So cosine is positive over here, cosine is positive over here, cosine is negative over here, cosine is negative over here, but it has to be in the. Alright, so we have r is 4 and y is 1. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. Then a squared is, let's say, 1 squared plus b squared is equal to 4 squared is 16. So b squared is 16 minus 1. So b is the square root of 15. Alright, so then x is the square root of 15. Now we are trying to find out secant. So x is the square root of 15. You can definitely write as x is the square root of 15. But that's not the answer. The answer is x is negative, so we're gonna have to put negative. But that's still not the answer. We have to rationalize it. So let's put it right here. Negative 4 over square root of 15. Multiply top and bottom by square root of 15 to rationalize it. So our final answer is negative 4 square root of 15 over 15. That's our final answer. So secant theta is this one.